Hello, everybody. My name is Chad Spurgeon, and I'm going to be taking over from Mrs. Jill Haglock for the Florida Virtual Physical Science here at Perry High School. And this change just happened yesterday, so bringing myself up to speed. But I wanted to reach out and introduce myself and kind of update you on what I've done thus far. If you look at my teacher app homepage here, you'll notice that I have 78 things that need grading. So looks like I'll be getting on to the grading portion of my day here this afternoon and this evening. So I'll try to get that up to date here, certainly this week. I apologize for anybody if that's been difficult. I'd like to go ahead and go to the landing page to show you a couple changes I've made and what I put in here. First things first, my information, my name, my email, which is obviously going to be a very good way to reach out to me. Office hours have been changed. I'm teaching here at Perry during the day in brick and mortar building, so I am unavailable until 9:50. So I put on Mondays and Wednesdays from 9:50 to 10:20, and certainly by appointment. If you need help, please just send me an email, and we can meet up in a Google Meet anytime you need to. Office hours are going to begin 9:14. That's Monday. Obviously today's Wednesday, but I'm doing the screencast right now, so probably more important that I introduce myself than have our first office meeting. The location will be the same Google Meet that Mrs. Haglock has set up. She graciously allowing me to use that one. So if you want to just click on that link, it'll take us to a meeting room where we'll be able to get together. And then I also put my YouTube channel, which I think will be an effective tool for us doing the virtual learning. Certainly a lot of times when you have questions, it's easier for me to screencast where I can show you work and whatnot. On here, I just have a placeholder. I'm going to insert this video onto the landing page here in a couple minutes. The other thing that I'd like to point out is I put a course calendar on here, and basically I'll show you the lesson guide first. I've taken the lessons, I put X's for the days that have already been covered by Mrs. Haglock, but for instance, forces in action, which the assessment is going to be 20 points. The time is expected to be 120 minutes. I broke that into 3 days, figuring an average of 40 minutes a day. That'll be due 9/14. But I've done that for all of the lessons. I put time and due dates on there. Hopefully you can understand my thinking. I did the first 9 weeks and the second 9 weeks. And then I placed them above in a calendar. So for instance, forces in action would be today, tomorrow, Friday, and that's due on Monday. After that, we go to energy. That's due on this. So I put in bold where it was due. Energy is going to be due on the 18th. And again, that's in bold to help us keep organized. I think our greatest challenge is going to be, in addition to learning, just staying organized and staying on time with things. If you look in the calendar, you'll notice in December, I put exams on all 5 days the week of December 14th. That's not going to be all 5 days. That'll be one of those days, but that's something that, again, I just came new to this yesterday. I don't want to break from what everybody else is doing as far as our learning academy. So I'm going to consult with the other teachers and see how we're handling exams. So certainly that will be modified, and I'll let you know when I do that. So adjustments to the landing page. Again, I'm going to get on the grading. In the meantime, if you have any questions, certainly let me know. If you need a tutorial on this lesson or this lesson, please let me know. It's something I'd gladly do in screencast and then share with the entire class. Other than that, again, I'd just like to say welcome. Looking forward to our year together, and any help you need at all, that's my job. We want you to do well with physical science. We want you to learn, and we want it to be as easy as possible. So please let me know what I can do for you. And in the meantime, I'm just going to end by saying welcome again. Bye now.